What if you could paste your website link into a free Google tool and it would generate your social media captions, your product images, your campaign visuals, and your platform-specific content formats all at once in about 60 seconds? That is exactly what Google Pomelli does, and most people have not heard of it yet. In this video, I am going to walk you through the complete tutorial. What the tool is, how to access it, how to use every feature on screen, and how to use the phone photo to studio image feature that turns a basic product photo into something that looks professionally shot. Everything step by step. Subscribe to Padded Vibes and drop a comment telling me where you are watching from. Let us get into it. Go to labs.google/Pomelli in your browser. This is a Google Labs experimental tool, which means it is free to access with a standard Google account, and it is part of Google's ongoing AI experiments program. Sign in with your Google account when prompted. When the interface loads, you will see a clean input area at the top. This is where the whole workflow begins. You have two main starting points. You can enter your website URL, or you can upload a product photo directly. Let us start with the URL method because this is the one that produces the most complete output. Paste your website URL into the input field. For this tutorial, I am using paddedvibes.com. Click Generate and watch what happens. Within about 60 seconds, Pomelli reads your website, analyzes your brand colors, your tone, your content category, and your existing visual style. It then builds a complete content package based on what it found. You do not have to describe your brand, explain your audience, or tell it what your business does. It reads all of that from your website automatically. Look at what it produced. You have caption options formatted for different platforms. The Instagram version is short and punchy with line breaks. The Facebook version is slightly longer with a conversational tone. Each one is written to match the platform's audience expectation without you having to rewrite the same message 3 times manually. Below the captions, you will see the visual content. Pomelli generates campaign images using your brand colors and visual style pulled directly from your website. These are not generic stock images with your logo dropped on top. They are generated visuals that reflect the actual aesthetic of your brand based on what your website looks like. For bloggers and affiliate marketers using a site like paddedvibes.com, this means your social media content actually looks connected to your website rather than looking like it came from a different brand entirely. That visual consistency is something most creators only achieve after paying a designer or spending hours in Canva. Now let me show you the phone photo to studio image feature because this one is particularly useful for anyone selling products or promoting physical items on social media. Click the Upload Photo option instead of the URL field. Take any photo you have on your phone of a product. It does not need to be a professional shot. A photo taken on your kitchen table with basic lighting is enough. Upload it. Pomelli analyzes the product in the photo and then generates a studio-quality version of the same product. It places the product in a clean, professional environment, corrects the lighting, removes the background clutter, and produces something that looks like it was taken in a photography studio. For affiliate marketers, this is immediately useful. You can photograph a product you own or a product you have received as a sample, run it through Pomelli, and have studio-quality product imagery for your blog posts and social media without booking a photographer or renting equipment. For bloggers promoting digital products, you can create a mock-up of your product, photograph it on your screen or print it out, and Pomelli elevates it to a polished professional visual. Here is how to get the best results from Pomelli consistently. Make sure your website is up to date before you paste the URL. Pomelli reads your current site, so if your homepage is outdated or does not clearly represent your current content focus, the generated brand package will reflect that. Keep your homepage current and your brand output will be stronger. When you use the photo upload feature, photograph the product against a plain background even if it is just a white sheet of paper. Pomelli can handle messy backgrounds, but the cleaner the original photo, the better the studio result. For anyone building out a content workflow across a blog and social media simultaneously, Pomelli fits into that workflow at the top of the process. Use it to generate your weekly content batch, refine the outputs, and then distribute across your platforms. If you want a properly built WordPress blog that gives Pomelli a strong brand foundation to read from when it generates your content, the Padded Vibes team handles full site setup for clients. A well-built site means better brand extraction and better content output. You can reach out if that is useful for your situation. Hit the like button if this gave you a new tool worth adding to your workflow. Subscribe to Padded Vibes for more free tool tutorials every week. Drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from and whether you are going to use the URL method or the photo upload method first. See you in the next one.